Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Tech Info RSA. Let's hard reset password remove Itell A50. If you forget your password, you can switch it off the phone first from the power key. Okay. Okay, so switch it off. Now we have to select volume down key and the power key. We have to press together. Okay, volume down and the power key. Keep holding until you see the logo and see. Keep holding. Okay, now release the power key and keep holding power key, volume down key until you see the Android logo. Now you can release all the key. Okay, and now again press power key and once volume up key. Okay, and you see this logo. Now we have to bring it here on wipe data from the volume down key. Okay, press here and here on wipe data factory data reset, and now press the power key when is on the wipe data. Okay, press 1, and now we have to bring on factory data reset with the volume down key. Okay, here, and again I have to press power key once and it will be resetted. As you can see, it's resetting and it is resetted. And now we just can reboot the set with the power key. Press once and it will be rebooted and your password will be removed. Okay, it's rebooting. It is Itell A50. Guys, very easy to remove password. Almost same format with all the phones. If you forgot your password, you can hard reset it at home. Please guys, if this video is helpful, and like and comment on my video. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.